Hello, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, we'll walk through how to link ClickUp docs to tasks, a handy feature that surely enhances your productivity. First off, navigate to the Docs homepage by clicking on the Docs icon on the left sidebar of your ClickUp workspace. The reason we do this is because the Docs homepage is where all the magic begins. It's your gateway to creating, managing, and linking your documents. Next up, create a new doc or select an existing one. To create a new doc, click the plus New Doc button, name your doc, and start writing. If you opt for an existing doc, simply click on its name to open it. This helps us because we need a document as a reference point, which we then link to a task. Now that we've done that, let's move to the task you want to link the doc to. Navigate to the task by clicking on the task name or searching for it in the search bar. We do this because we have to specify the task that we want our document to be associated with. Once inside the task, scroll down to the Docs and Files section. In this section, click on the plus Attach button and then on Attach Doc. This helps us because it's the bridge that connects our document to the task. It's the action that forms the link between the two. In the pop-up window that opens, locate the doc you want to link from the list or use the search bar at the top. Click on the doc's name to select it, then click the Link Doc button. Let me explain why this matters. Linking the doc to the task makes the doc easily accessible from the task, improving your workflow efficiency and consistency. And just like that, you've successfully linked a ClickUp doc to a task. Now, your teammates can quickly access and reference the doc right from the task, saving time and reducing effort. In conclusion, linking ClickUp docs to tasks is an effective way to streamline information flow and boost productivity in your ClickUp workspace. Thanks for joining us, and keep enhancing your ClickUp skills.